Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss another topic in the chapter human capital formation, that is role and importance of human capital. As the physical capital is essential for economic development of country, human capital is also equally significant. The importance of human capital in economy explained by the following point. First, increase in production. Knowledgeable skilled worker can be better use of physical capital, resulting in higher output per unit of input. It will be increase the production in economy, as educated trained person can apply his knowledge and skill at the farm, factory, office at a increased productions. Means a knowledgeable persons और skilled worker can make better use ऑफ फिजिकल कैपिटल का बेटर यूज़ कर सकता है और हायर आउटपुट पर यूनिट ऑफ इनपुट का इट विल इंक्रीज द प्रोडक्शन भी इंक्रीज कर सकता है. एजुकेटेड एंड ट्रेन पर्सन कैन अप्लाई हिज नॉलेज एंड स्किल एट द फार्म, फैक्ट्री, ऑफिस टू इंक्रीज प्रोडक्शन. In the same way, healthy person can contribute more to the production process than unhealthy man. And the availability of adequate health facilities raise the physical capacity of the labor and his stamina for work. It also reduces the loss of output which would have the result from the illness of work. Second, increase in efficiency and productivity. The investment in human capital increase the efficiency and productivity, hence yield the high income to the persons. Education and training helped improving the upgrading the technology, which further help in the raising the level of efficiency and productivity in the economy. Similarly, improvement in the health also contribute to the level of efficiency and productivity. Means अगर efficiency और इंक्रीज़ होती है तो हमारा क्या कहते हैं प्रोडक्शंस भी इंक्रीज होगा, हायर इनकम भी इंक्रीज होगा. एजुकेशन एंड हेल्थ ट्रेनिंग हेल्प करता है इम्प्रूविंग द अपग्रेडिंग द टेक्नोलॉजी which further help in the raising the level of efficiency. Next point, change in outlook and attitude. Knowledgeable, skilled and healthy people are powerful instrument of change in the society. Attitudes of the people no longer remain traditional and the custom bound. People start making rational choice in respect of the place and job. This promote mobility of labor. A new attitude also encourage the people to economics and save. Next point, improvement in the quality of life. The quality of population depend upon the level of education and health and of people and skill acquired by them. Illiterate, unhealthy, unskilled, untrained population liability for the economy, so they cannot contribute much in the development of the country. On the other hand, literate, healthy, skilled, and trained population is asset for the economy. They enjoy high level of income, better quality of life. It is the quality of population ultimately decide the economic growth of the country, and the quality of population can be enhanced by investing more in the human capital formation. Next, innovative technological development, human capital formation through the expenditure on education facilities, innovation, innovation in the area of production related to activities lead to the growth development in the economy. It also help labor force to understand the adopt the change in the technology. Thank you.